everybody do the birthday breath. Do you know that one, Belly?
No.
It's when I get too excited at my birthday. My uncle taught me this really cool trick.
A cool trick?
Yeah.
What is it?
Okay, will we do it? Okay, so everybody stand up, feet firmly on the ground, and imagine you're about to blow out the candles on your birthday cake.
Oh.
So we'll take a nice breath in your nose, and then gently blow the candles out in a nice circle slowly. Oh. We try that again? Okay, nice breath in your nose. Gently blow the candles out in a circle. Oh, that feels nice. One more time. Nice breath in. And blow out the candles.
You must have lots of candles with that big long blow.
I just love blowing out candles.
Hi everybody, my name's Belly.
And I'm Whizz.
And we love being visited by our friends here in the woods. They help us with our feelings.
Yeah. So tune in to Minding Me with Belly and Whizz
On RTÉ Jr.
and the RTÉ Player.